This is what we've been walking through for a while. It's kind of muddy, narrow, slimy. A little bit of a downhill trek for us. Dylan says we're heading down to Laurel Fork. Then he says from there it's all uphill after that. A little bridge crossing, a lot of these little bridges. Huh? Oh, little campsite there. Nice campsite by the little stream here. I don't know if this is Laurel Fork or not. Oh, there's Dylan taking a picture of me. Hi, Dylan.
Hi.
Fortunately, I've got the record on this time, and the sun's coming out a little bit, and some really nice colors. Actually, it's been a little bit overcast this morning. Perfect temperature.